in the past, every time tinatanong si former VP Leni about 2028, she says she has no plans to run. What would make her reconsider? Should she even reconsider that sentiment? And what should she do differently from 2022?
Una ay 2.5 years pa bago mag-eleksyon. So yung iba siguro iniisip na baka masyado pang maaga. Pwedeng ganun yung iniisip. Kalawa, kakapanalo pa lang niya at mayor. Parang hindi magandang tignan, kakapanalo pa lang niya ng mayor, tapos tatakbo na kagad siya for president. So there has to be a groundswell for her run. No? Siguro yun ang hinihintay nila. Pero ikatlo, iba yung panahon natin ngayon 2028 will be decided in 2026. Kaya sooner than sooner, they have to decide sino ang lalabang kay Sara. They have to decide sa 2027. They have to decide 2026. Tingin ko na kay Sara, yan ngayon yung bagong element, bagong variable na kinoconsider ng lahat na nagkaplano sa 2028. Hindi pwedeng maghintay. Kailangan na rin nila mag-announce this year.
Pero Ronald, sino nga, anong klaseng kandidato, meron bang kandidato na pwedeng tumapat kay VP Sara Duterte? Kahit pa hindi siya nag-early announcement, I mean, that's already the question people are asking. Dapat kasi usually, di ba, umaangat na yung kandidatong yon. Now we're hearing the names. Of course, VP Leni is one, Senator Risa is the other, mga ganun So,
Necessarily, dahil lahat ng nanalo presidente, hindi umangat ng maaga. Maliban kay FDR, si PLO, Dugong, lahat yan hindi na umangat maaga. Actually, nakilala lang sila less than a year before the elections. Pinoy, Diaspori, si Digong, si FBI, etc. So, hindi totoo na kinakailangan mong umangat ng maaga. Karamihan ng umangat ng umaga, maliban kay ERA, natalo.